Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe it. So here we are discussing question number 6B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form, which is paid. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. Kindly note this number for future purpose also. So if you need a PDF and handwritten, kindly contact. So here is a 6 BS collect them the internet, newspaper, magazines, media help from others or any other source. The weather data for the March, April this year and the previous year. Make a comparative analysis of your collected data and record the changes in temperature and the climate. Global warming is considered to be responsible for climate change. Record your observations and conclusions and explain causes and consequences of global warming. You may relate the collected data to explanation. You may take a PowerPoint presentation or prepare a written account. So here you can see that this is the question number 6B. Here we are discussing. So if you need answer of all the questions, kindly contact. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.